In today's episode, I'm doing a tablescape. So if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I was asked to be a co-host in a collaboration with the Ladies of Elegance. Now, and they decorate a table for fall. So the Ladies of Elegance are Courtney of Amethyst Adventures and Grace of the Grace Life Home Decor. Now if you haven't heard of these ladies, I will put a link to their channels down below with the playlist in the description box. So sit back and enjoy. Now let me tell you a little bit about my fall tablescape. Now these beautiful plates, plaid plates, came from the Dollar Tree. I went in one day looking for something else and saw those beautiful plates, and I bought me a set of 6. Now this wine goblet, it was thrifted. The napkins came from the Tablecloth Factory. And that beautiful napkin ring came from Pure One. And I'm really loving how it looks. It has the beautiful fall colors. Now, if anyone knows me, they know I don't like the writing on plates, so that's why I try to cover it up. But it does say home for the holidays. Now, underneath here, I have this beautiful burgundy or wine-colored dessert plate. It was thrifted off of eBay. Now, this plate pattern I thought was gorgeous, the plaid. Now, the charger plate came from Hobby Lobby. I've had that for a number of years now. And the placemat underneath was a DIY. I will try to remember to link the video showing me making those placemats. But all the table settings are the same. Now for this gorgeous centerpiece. This wreath on the bottom, that was one of my mother's, and I just left it how she had it decorated. And I really like that wreath, and it goes with every color that I have on this table for fall. Isn't it gorgeous? I love the way the branches are sticking out like that. It's totally different. Now the apothecary jar was thrifted. Inside I have apples and pumpkins and pine cones. The pine cones came from my backyard. The apples and the pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree. And this gorgeous ribbon you see on the front came from Hobby Lobby a few years back. Now, as I said, the only thing that was purchased new for this tablescape were the plaid plates. Now, isn't that pattern on that ribbon gorgeous? I just couldn't believe I still had a piece of it. But everything turned out right. The apples were the ones that were on the stick. You remember those, but I took the sticks out. But I think it all turned out nicely. If you could let me know down below. Oh, also I used the green pillow covers from Amazon. Now I've had those for a while. The pillow covers as well. The pillows and the chairs are 18 by 18. And I think it all turned out really gorgeous. Y'all let me know what you think of my tablescape down below. You know I enjoy reading your comments. And don't forget to go by and say hello to Grace and Courtney on their channels and let them know I sent you. And check out the playlist when it becomes available. And check out the other participants in this collaboration. Now, if you're interested in seeing more of my tablescapes and craftiness, click the link on the screen and I'll see you in the next episode.